Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm doing a several part sort of episodes, probably about 5 or 6 different parts. Instead of doing instructional videos right now, I thought I'd just do a show and tell of all the projects that I've been working on this year. I haven't actually done any instructional videos or any postings since like last September because I've been extremely busy developing multiple projects to create a new curriculum for my fabrication lab. So I've been trying to incorporate a lot more STEAM in my art classroom, especially for the high school level. So if you are a first timer to my channel, my YouTube channel has hundreds of videos now on everything from drawing to sculpture to construction. So this particular video, I'm going to talk to you about how to incorporate some furniture design. So you don't need a giant wood shop, obviously, for anything to do with furniture design. We could build smaller scale models in your art classroom. So I've been trying to incorporate a lot more STEAM, science, technology, engineering, art, and math into my art classroom because it's very much a part of their science curriculum in grade 8 as well. And I would love to move on and do some industrial design in terms of architecture or even fashion design. So here are some examples of some furniture design. So I tried to develop some furniture that moves, that has some sort of moving part, because they cover simple machines, pulley systems, and gear systems in their science curriculum. So I thought it'd be really fun to try to not just build a chair or a sofa or a coffee table, that sort of thing, but I would like to have the piece of furniture have a moving part to it. Either it folds into each other or reclines to one another. So these, I sort of made these little matching armchairs. But it has, I'm not sure if you could see right here in some of my side cameras, it has a groove right here where skewer sticks are poked in. And it follows the track to be a recliner. So it folds flat like this, so someone could sleep on it. So it's sort of like a twin size bed, or big enough obviously just for one person. So it's sort of a version of a lazy boy, but that could fold all the way down so someone could sleep on it. And then you sort of see the groove right here. So you have to build your two sides and then sandwich the side and side to try to put the skewer stick in the groove properly. So you just pull it right up and it becomes a reclining lazy boy type chair for your living room. So I just use simple cardboard. You just stockpile your Amazon boxes, dumpster dive, go through your recycling bins, no problem. And this is just old leather, actually. I actually used real leather. You don't have to, but I just cut up an old leather jacket that I wasn't using, and use that for a little bit of upholstery, miniature upholstery, and use this a hot glue gun to upholster your miniature scale model furniture. So obviously these kids don't have the opportunity to build it full scale, but to build little scale models like this is just as good, if not fantastic, because it takes a lot less space, a lot less materials, and these were practically free. So it's great for your classes. And other than the technology and other than the grooves that they have to cut, not very hard. You could do this with grade 7s, maybe even grade 8, definitely grade 8s. I'm going to try this out next year and see if they could have some sort of furniture that has moving parts. It could be like a coffee table that have folding down leaves to it to make it bigger. Maybe it could fold into each other. Any piece of furniture that folds into each other for easy storage. So you could put that into the difficulty level of the project that I know university students and CJUP students that actually have this as a project in their, say, industrial design class, that the original piece of furniture has to change in some way. Maybe it has a reversible upholstery to have multiple different colors to it, stuff like that. And obviously it has to be structurally sound. Someone has to be able to put a little bit of pressure on it to make sure that it's not wavy, it's not tilty, so they know where to put, say, a support beam, and obviously this is doubled as the support beam for the bed, so it has dual purpose. So if you can do something like this, maybe your students will have the opportunity to build it in full scale, maybe on their own time or at home. So thank you so much for tuning in. Stay tuned. I have a couple more episodes to do, and hopefully there'll be a couple of projects that will inspire you for your own classroom. So thanks a lot, everybody, and I hope you have a great, great summer, and rest up. This is Tailored Art Projects, and stay safe, keep creating.